The S Pen is what makes Samsung Note series unique. On top of the usual premier offerings of a regular phone, Note 10 users have an added feature to physically scribble their notes on their screen as if they're writing on a regular notebook. This added technological wonder is not perfect, and some Note users are reporting that their S Pen are not working all of a sudden. If you are one of the Note 10 owners with an S Pen problem, you should find this video helpful. We've compiled a list of solutions for you in this one. First, get rid of non-official protective cases or covers. Third-party cases or covers may sometimes feature clasps or magnetic closures that may interfere with the S Pen. This can lead to a variety of S Pen problems. Combined with unofficial screen protectors, you may find your S Pen working inconsistently. If you find it hard to write using the S Pen, or if the surface seems to be rubbery, it can be due to the screen cover you're using. Poorly installed screen protectors can also affect S Pen recognition and sensitivity. If you're not using any screen protectors at all, just try to clean the surface of the screen with a clean soft cloth and test your S Pen again. Next, use another S Pen nib or tip. Sometimes S Pen recognition issues are caused by misbehaving S Pen tip. If you notice that it now requires you to apply more pressure in order for the phone to recognize what you're writing, you have to consider changing the S Pen nib or tip. Next, try S Pen on another compatible device. If you have another Note to try using your current S Pen with the second Note 10 and see how it works. If the S Pen is not working with the second Note 10, you'll have to replace it. It may have suffered an unknown internal hardware malfunction. If the S Pen works normally with the second Note 10 though, you'll have to continue troubleshooting it. Next, update Note 10 software. By default, you should get software update notifications in the notifications bar every time there's any available update. If you are not sure if you've cancelled the notifications, you can manually check by going under Settings, then Software Update. Then go to Download and Install. If there's an update, be sure to install it right away, then recheck your S Pen to see if it's working. Next, reboot the system. Some cases of S Pen issues were fixed by simply restarting the Note. This is effective in fixing minor bugs after leaving a device running for a long time. Every electronic device can benefit from a restart even if it does not have any problem at all. If you haven't tried it yet, be sure that you reboot your Note 10. Once you've restarted your Note 10, try to check if your S Pen is working good again. We hope that this guide has been helpful. Please support us by clicking like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more troubleshooting videos.